Richest people in Mzansi. This is according to the Forbes real-time and aggregated reports. Number 5. Michael Laxraus is the co-founder of Capitec Bank. This is the guy which you trust with your money. The guy who made banking so simple. His net worth is estimated around $1.2 to $1.9 billion. Number 4. Patrice Motsepe is the co-founder of African Rainbow Minerals and is the chairperson or former chairperson of Mamelodi Sundown. He's Africa's first black billionaire. Net worth is estimated around 2.7 to 3.4 billion US dollars. Number 3. Kos Becker, former CEO of Napster and is also the earliest investor in Tencent. Net worth is estimated around 2.6 to 3.6 billion US dollars. Asikhulumi ngamarand la akudlalwa la guys. Number 2. Nikki Oppenheimer and family, formerly DBS, now investments and conservation. Sikhuluma ngamabhoza la guys, asikhulumi ngento encane, asikhulumi ngabafana, sikhuluma ngegwili la, asikhulumi ngabafana nje. We're not talking about small boys. Net worth is estimated around 9 to 10 US billion dollars. Number 1. Johan Robert and family. They deal with luxury goods and is the chairman of Richmond. Sikhuluma ngama-tycoon la, sikhuluma ngegwili la. This is not small boys, guys. Net worth is estimated around 12 to 13 billion US dollars. Who do you think deserves to be in the top 5 that I didn't mention, guys?